Hello, my name is Double Grace and you?
Omalicha Dunubi.
Hey, I'm actually doing be like if you be man now, waiting be thing we be say no go do. Waiting be advice for men for this Valentine.
If I be man,
Mm.
I want advise my fellow men for this Valentine. That money where you go use buy that girl hibiscus flower. That money where you go use go palala, where they do palala for that girl. Brother, use that money cure infection. Yeah. That infection don't do, brother. Use that money cure your infection for that sukrutum. It's better for you. Yes. And second one be say, if I be man, because this Valentine I guess go they look for banana busters where they sell 1 tray. They look for that milky singlet where they sell 750. The one where they pay me in that slippers where they do like Y Junction. They go buy them now. Where they can use and do happy Valentine for their boyfriend. But if that girl bring that busters, if you bring that singlet, if you bring that hibiscus slippers, tell that girl say no gun go kill am. Make he carry and go dash in elder brother. Make him elder brother wear am. Oga, you are not cheap. Respect yourself. I beg you. This one don't pay me. I beg. I don't dey go.
Ogini di get tegalia